Action verbs and daily use sentences.
Read.
Read.
She is reading. She is reading.
Teach.
Teach.
He is teaching. He is teaching.
Walk.
Walk.
They are walking. They are walking.
Listen.
Listen. She is listening. She is listening.
Swim.
Swim.
He is swimming. He is swimming. Talk.
Talk.
They are talking. They are talking. Drink.
Drink.
She is drinking. She is drinking. Drive.
Drive.
He is driving. He is driving. Clap.
Clap.
They are clapping. They are clapping.
Think.
Think.
He is thinking. He is thinking. Fly.
Fly.
She is flying. She is flying.
Run.
Run.
They are running. They are running. Play.
Play.
He is playing. He is playing. Exercise.
Exercise.
She is doing exercises. She is doing exercises. Climb.
Climb.
He is climbing. He is climbing. Write.
Write.
She is writing. She is writing.
Create.
Create.
He is creating an account. He is creating an account. Dance.
Dance.
They are dancing. They are dancing.
Build.
Build.
He is building. He is building. Cry.
Cry.
She is crying. She is crying.
Hug.
Hug.
They are hugging. They are hugging. Solve.
Solve.
He is solving. He is solving.
Paint.
Paint.
She is painting. She is painting.
Work.
Work.
He is working. He is working.
Please subscribe.
Thank you for watching.